Handmade rugs are woven on looms of varying sizes. Whether vertical or horizontal, they have remained unchanged for centuries. Nomadic tribes, for its portability, favor the horizontal loom, sometimes known as the flat or ground loom. The loom consists of the following parts: the upright frame, the warp beam, the shed stick, the heddle rod, the warp, a series of parallel vertical threads, the weft, a series of horizontal threads passing in and out of the warp threads, known as weft shuts, the side cords, the calim end, also known as the self-edge binding, and the fringes.